Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous videos, we focused on how sellers manage their store. But today, we are switching to the customer's perspective by designing the product search and discovery page. A great search page is the bridge between a customer and their next skill. In this session, I will show you how we designed a clean, modern, and search interface using Tailwind CSS. We will focus on creating a responsive layout that features a prominent search bar, category filters, and a dynamic result grid that looks great on both mobile and desktop. We want to make sure that when a user from anywhere in the world lands on the Skillshop, they can find exactly what they are looking for with ease. Let's dive into the design. This is my web page. We start with a bold, high contrast blue background for the hero section to create a strong first impression. The headline, Find Your Perfect Skill, acts as a clear call to action. We placed a large centered search bar with a prominent search button to make the discovery process the primary focus. We designed the result to be displayed in a clean, modern grid that prioritizes clarity. Every card features a level patch like beginner, intermediate, or advanced. At the top left, this allows users to instantly filter options based on their current expertise. The design clearly separates the seller's name, the skill title, and social proof like ratings and customer count. Prices are highlighted in blue, and we included a minimal arrow button for users to view details without cluttering the cart. At the bottom, we added a dedicated section to build buyer confidence. Using clean, minimalized icons, we highlight three core benefits: learn at your pace, expert instructors, and affordable pricing. This reinforces our brand identity as a reliable learning platform. The top navigation bar remains consistent with the rest of a Skillshop, featuring the search bar and authentication links like sign in or join. For large catalogs, we have implemented a clear pagination system at the bottom, with the active page highlighted in blue so users never lost their way. The top section is designed to be the hook that keeps users on the page. BG gradient to R from blue 500 to indigo 600. This creates a professional modern depth. It transitions from a bright blue to a deeper indigo, which is easier on the eyes than a solid flat color. We use text for Excel font bold for the main heading to ensure it is the first thing a user reads. Rounded 1MD and rounded RMD. These classes are used to stitch that input and the button together, making them look like a single focus ring to focus ring blue 400. This provides accessibility. When a user clicks the search box, a soft blue glow appears, confirming that the input is active. The cards are designed using a group logic in Tailwind, which allows elements to change based on the card's state. Group hover, scale 105. When the user hovers over the card, the image slightly zooms in. This transition transform makes the slide feel interactive and alive. Hover shadow excel. The shadow deepens when hovered, making the card look like it is lifting off the page. Absolute top 2.5, left 2.5. By using absolute position, we overlay the beginner of advanced or intermediate patch directly on the image, without affecting the text layout below. Flex text call. This ensures that even if one product title is longer than another, the price and arrow at the bottom will always stay perfectly aligned at the base of the card. Line clamp 2. This CSS utility limits the title to exactly 2 lines. If a title is too long, it adds 3 dots automatically, keeping all cards the same height. At the bottom, we use a clean white section to explain why users should choose skill job. BG Blue 100, W14, H14 rounded full. We place icon inside soft colored circles. This is standard UI pattern for high-end software as a service platform. When you hover over these feature boxes, color of the circle subtly darkness. Group hover BG Blue 200, giving the user a rewarding visual feel. Look at the pagination part. BG Blue 600 text white is applied only to the current page number. Transition colors on the page links ensures that when a user hovers over next or previous, the background changes smoothly rather than. And that is the complete design breakdown for our Skillshop search page. By leveraging Tailwind CSS, we have created a search experience that is not only visually stunning but also highly functional and user-friendly. We have focused on clean typology, interactive hove effects, and a responsive grid that looks great on any device. Thank you so much for joining with me in this session. So, this is the end of today's video and I'll see you again in another video. Have a nice day all and goodbye.